y is equal to 3x minus 9, okay? And the next side will be L2, okay? Now they're not going to want us to find, to give us just the slope. They're going to want us to write the equation. So this one's going to be y is equal to 3x minus 9. And we need to find the equation of L2. So obviously to find the equation, you need to know what the slope is. That's one of the things. Okay? So what you need to do is, well, parallel lines indicates that the slopes are the same, right? So if M1 is equal to 3, right? I see it there. So therefore, since they're parallel, M2 is equal to 3. Okay, so now, am I ready to write the equation? No, remember, writing the equation, I need to know M and B. Well, here I know M, so I need to figure out what B is. So therefore, I'm not done yet. They don't want just the slope. They want for me to write the equation. And for me to write the equation, I need to remember this model here. Y is equal to mx plus b. So right now at this point, I'm only half done. I only know what this value is. I need to know what that value is as well. So therefore, I need the slope and a point, just like the prior lesson. And I need to use this equation once again. Remembering that this is also x and y, so therefore it'd be 6 is equal to 3 times 4 plus b. So that's going to give me 6 is equal to 12 plus b. Subtract 12 to both sides to leave b by itself. And I end up getting b is equal to negative 6. So I find out what b is, and it's negative 6. So my answer is y is equal to 3x minus 6. And that's what they want us to figure out. The equation of the line that is parallel to the equation y is equal to 3x minus 9. Okay? So it's basically like what we did before. Writing the equation of the line given the slope and the point. Because the slope we get from the other equation, knowing that they're parallel, so therefore they're the same. Next one. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to y is equal to 2x minus 1 and passes through point 84. Okay, again, write your sides, L1, L2. This is just to be organized. So L1 is the given equation, and we know that m is equal to what? Is equal to 2. So what do you know about two lines that are perpendicular? They have negative reciprocal, and the symbol for perpendicular lines is this symbol right here. Okay, so then m2 is equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, so now you have the slope of negative 1 over 2, and you need to bring down the point that they gave you, because this 8,4 is the point of the equation that you're trying to write. So again, we introduced this equation to help us solve for it. We plug in x and y. So we plug in 4 is equal to negative 1 over 2 times 8 plus b. So 4 is equal to negative 4, because negative 1/2 times 8 is negative 4. And then you add 4 to both sides, so you get the value of what? B is equal to 8. So when let me show you what I did here. You add 4, so B is equal to 8. Okay, so now I know what B is, I know what M is, so my equation is going to be what? I plug in M and B into this equation, and I find out that my answer is negative 1/2 x plus 8, and that's my answer right there. Okay, so again, the only thing different here is when I find what my slope is, I do the negative inverse, okay, or the negative reciprocal, okay, and I use that with a given point to solve for B.